INSW stock analysis, Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. International Seaways stock has been up like 9.3%. That's just Tuesday's performance. And more so observing it from a broader picture, I'm going to see that leading up to this point of going up like 9% just Tuesday, it was not the best trend. I mean, it's not even cool. Like, it's bearish market. I mean, it's not that I'm lying, but I've seen this happen thousands of times. You can see how much videos I've done. I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, going thousands of repetitions. With this itself, I mean, after a lot of data collection, it's not that I'm looking to short, not at all. I mean, I will only really short if there is a double break. That's the idea behind it. If I see a double break, then and only then this is something that I'll short. Everything else in the meantime, just pure, proper noise. I mean, guess what do I need more of? More candles to appear, so more time needs to pass. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.